It was recently reported by the Straits Times earlier in September that a woman went blind in July after she was administered a dermal filler, 𝗙𝗙cie𝗹𝗹. A dermal filler is an anti-aging aesthetic treatment that can temporarily reduce wrinkles and folds in the skin. The incident of blood vessel occlusion, or blockage, led to the blindness. An 𝗙𝗙cie spokesman released a statement stating, "Locally, this is the first adverse event report for blindness resulting from dermal fillers." Dermal fillers are a popular treatment to maintain a youthful appearance. As we age, our youthful appearance changes, and many of us will experience subtle changes in face shape. This decrease in volume can create shadows under the eyes, hollow temples, and deep nasolabial folds, which may make the face look saggy and tired. While dermal fillers can't stop the signs of aging altogether, they do help to give you a more youthful and refreshed appearance by erasing fine lines and wrinkles, restoring lost volume in the face. They can also enhance your natural features by increasing the fullness of lips, cheeks, and sunken under eyes, or adding definition to the chin or jawline. As with all treatments, dermal fillers do come with some risks. Apart from the risk of vascular complication that could lead to blindness, there are other complications that may arise from the usage of dermal fillers, such as swelling, redness, hypersensitivity, lumpiness in or under the skin, as well as infections. There are two types of fillers: HA fillers that can be reversed by dissolving with hyaluronidase, and non-HA fillers that cannot be reversed. From this, you can see that HA fillers have lower risks. A review by 𝗙𝗪𝗡 et al. Demonstrated that the incidence of vascular occlusion following injection of HA filler is estimated to be 3 to 9 people in 10,000, which means the risk is 0.03% to 0.09%. For comparison purposes, the risks for road accidents is 6 in 10,000. In other words, 0.06%. As you can see from these figures, although the risk in fillers exists, they are actually quite low. Still feeling hesitant about filler treatments? Not to worry. In our clinic, we always have emergency kits on hand and protocols in place for the unlikely event of vascular occlusion or other complications. Our doctors are highly experienced to detect complications and are well versed in the appropriate steps to take should such an event occur. We partner with 2 eye specialist doctors that are located nearby and just a call away, so you can rest assured that we take your safety seriously. The important thing to remember is to always be informed of the inherent risks of the procedure and to be given alternative options. This is so that you can weigh your needs versus the risk and make a decision that you're comfortable with. In conclusion, dermal fillers are a great product to give you a more youthful and refreshed appearance by erasing fine lines and wrinkles, restoring lost volume in your face. Whilst there is an inherent risk to the procedure, for some patients, the benefits may outweigh the risks.